Do you know what could be causing your fatty liver? We're about to delve into the enigma of fatty liver disease, a prevalent condition that's often misunderstood. This silent affliction impacts countless people worldwide, yet many remain in the dark about its causes and effects. Knowledge is power, and recognizing the triggers of fatty liver disease forms a crucial part of the battle against it. Understanding what causes fatty liver can be your first step towards prevention and better health. Let's unravel this mystery together. The sedentary lifestyle is a silent enemy, ranking 10th on our list. It's a well-known fact that lack of physical activity can lead to weight gain and obesity. But did you know that these are also risk factors for fatty liver disease? The liver, like any other organ, benefits from regular exercise. Physical activity helps to burn triglycerides for fuel and can also reduce liver fat. So don't just sit there. Stand up, get moving, and keep your liver healthy. At number 9, we have high cholesterol. High cholesterol isn't just a risk to your heart health, it can also contribute to a fatty liver. This happens when the liver cannot process cholesterol efficiently, leading to an accumulation of fat. Over time, this fat buildup can cause inflammation and damage, paving the way for fatty liver disease. It's a chain reaction that starts with that innocuous buttery croissant and ends with a liver working overtime. Remember to monitor your cholesterol levels. High blood pressure claims the 8th spot. Now you might think, what's the correlation between high blood pressure and fatty liver disease? Well, it's quite simple. High blood pressure can damage your liver's blood vessels, leading to inflammation and fat accumulation. This, in turn, can set the stage for fatty liver disease. So, when it comes to the health of your liver, maintaining a normal blood pressure is crucial. Remember, it's not just about the heart. Keep your blood pressure in check to safeguard your liver. The 7th culprit is something we all love, an unhealthy diet. It's a guilty pleasure that can lead us down a dangerous path. Consuming foods high in saturated fats and sugars is like sending an open invitation to fatty liver disease. These substances can overload your liver, causing fats to build up, which can lead to inflammation and scarring over time. So it's not about completely cutting out your favorite treats, but rather portion control and balance. Make sure to balance your diet for a healthier liver. Surprisingly, rapid weight loss is number 6 on our list. It's a common misconception that shedding pounds quickly is a fast track to a healthy life. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. When you lose weight at an accelerated pace, it can lead to an unhealthy accumulation of fat in your liver. This is because the body, in its struggle to cope with the sudden change, may start storing excess fat in the liver. Always aim for a steady and healthy weight loss journey. Excessive alcohol consumption is the 5th cause of fatty liver. Alcohol, while a common social indulgence, can be a silent saboteur to your liver health. When alcohol enters your liver, it produces highly toxic chemicals. These chemicals can damage or completely destroy liver cells, leading to fatty liver and other serious liver diseases. Over time, this damage can accumulate, causing your liver to swell and scar. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? So remember, moderation is key. Drink responsibly to protect your liver. Type 2 diabetes is our 4th culprit. This is a long-term condition that affects the way your body processes blood sugar, also known as glucose. When blood sugar levels remain high over a prolonged period, it can lead to various health complications, including fatty liver disease. You see, high blood sugar can cause fat buildup in the liver, which might eventually lead to inflammation or even liver damage. So, it's crucial to manage your type 2 diabetes to prevent these complications. Stay on top of your blood sugar levels. Metabolic syndrome takes the 3rd spot. This term might sound like a mouthful, but it's essentially a cluster of conditions, including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat around the waist, and abnormal cholesterol levels that occur together. When these conditions team up, they significantly increase the risk of developing fatty liver disease. But don't fret. The good news is that embracing a healthy lifestyle can combat metabolic syndrome, fortifying your body's defenses. Remember, a healthy lifestyle can help prevent metabolic syndrome. At number 2, we have obesity. Obesity is a significant risk factor for developing fatty liver disease. When a person carries excess weight, it places a strain on their body, including their liver. The liver starts to accumulate fat, leading to fatty liver disease. This is not just about aesthetics or body image, it's about the health of one of your body's most important organs. So if you're carrying extra pounds, it's time to take action. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for your liver's health. And the number 1 culprit of fatty liver disease is genetics. That's right, those double helix strands that make you, can also predispose you to this condition. Just like hair color or height, the likelihood of developing fatty liver disease can be passed down through generations. Certain gene variants can increase your susceptibility, making it all the more important to be mindful of the other factors we've discussed. While you can't change your genes, you can control your lifestyle. So, those were the top 10 ways you could be damaging your liver. From lack of exercise to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, unhealthy diets, rapid weight loss, excessive alcohol consumption, type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, obesity, and yes, even your genetics. All these factors can lead to fatty liver disease. The key takeaway? Embrace a healthier lifestyle. Regular exercise, balanced diet, and moderate alcohol intake can help prevent this condition. Take care of your liver and it will take care of you.